All right, let's dive into some timeless wisdom for hitting those big goals you've got. Ever wonder if ancient secrets could be the key to your success today? Well, let's see. Master strategist Chanakya laid out four powerful rules. Let's break them down. Okay, pillar one. It all starts with a dream, but just wishing won't cut it. Chanakya's take? Dreaming is for people who are brave enough to actually do something about it. So simple, right? First, you see it crystal clear. Then, you go out and build it. All right, on to pillar two. Think of this as the engine that powers your dream. He called it Iksha, or willpower. This is the absolute core force behind any real success. I mean, this kind of inner strength, it can literally turn impossible odds into a win. And this just says it all. With willpower, the impossible is possible. Without it, good luck. Okay, so you've got the dream and the will. But what happens when things get tricky? You know those moments, right, when you're just not sure which way to turn? Chanakya's advice? When the world is loud and confusing, listen to that voice inside you. Because trusting that gut feeling, well, that's what ends up shaping your entire life. And that brings us to our final pillar. This one's all about your environment. Chanakya saw positivity as something contagious, almost like a happy song that just spreads. So your positive vibe doesn't just help you, it lifts up everyone around you. So let's wrap this up. These four pillars, they're your foundation for success. To recap, dare to dream, build your will, trust your gut, and spread that positivity. The real question is, which one are you going to start with today? The choice is yours.